So you have to find the square root of a large number, that is 97 into 98 into 99 into 100 plus 1 without using calculator. So you are not allowed to use the calculator. So how will you solve this problem? So you can solve by substitution. So in this case, a smallest number is 97. So let us say we make a substitution, that is n is equals to 97. So 98 will be n plus 1. Similarly, 99 will be n plus 2. And n plus 3 will be 100. So let us try to simplify the term that is inside the square root. So let us consider this term first and let us try to simplify. So we can write 97 into 98 into 99 into 100 plus 1. This term can be written as n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 3 plus 1. Now let us simplify this further. What we can do is, we can take this n and this n plus 3 together, and this one, that is n plus 1 and n plus 2 together. So let us see what happens. So I will have n into n plus 3, and here I will have n plus 1 into n plus 2 and then plus 1. So if you multiply, n into n plus 3 is equals to n square plus 3n. Now if you multiply these two terms, then you will have n square plus 2n plus n plus 2 plus 1. So this is n square plus 3n, and this is n square plus 3n plus 2 plus 1. Now what you will do next? So if you see, one thing you can observe, that is n square plus 3n is here and n square plus 3n is also here. So now I can make a further substitution. So let us make a substitution, that is n square plus 3n, this is equals to t. So with this substitution I can write, this is t multiplied by, this is t plus 2 and then plus 1, and further if you multiply, this will become t square plus 2t and this is 1. So this is nothing but, this is written as t plus 1 whole square. So this means if you take a square root of this term, because you have to find a square root, so let us call this value is a. So this value is equals to a. So now what we have done, we have basically calculated the value of a. A is equals to t plus 1 whole square. So a is equals to a is equals to a square root of t plus 1 whole square. So a is equal to plus minus t plus 1. And t is what? T is nothing but n square plus 3n and then plus 1. So this will be the value of a. But we know that n is equals to 97. If you remember, this is the first substitution I made. So now this term will be simply plus minus 97 square plus 3 into 97 plus 1. So if you calculate, this will be 9701. So this is the value of A. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.